YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down the Salsa and Bachata Moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus, and you just saw us dancing the combination we're going to teach now. I thought because it was a beginner to improver and a small move, I don't break it into two videos. We get started into some work, and it has a little bit higher level than beginners, like walking around and holding the lady bar. Break it down and we'll make it nice and easy. Come on. Alright, we start off with the basic. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, and slide both hands, lift up. Then you give the lady a regular turn to her right, 1 and 2, and sandwich the hands together. From here you can do the hands down, use your back of your hands and land them on your shoulders. That happens when we're going 5 and 6 and 7. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now this hand, first let me show for the guys. Guys, we're going forward and back. This is like a preparation, stretching an arrow. So the ladies are going for them back and whoa, they're taking force. That's how we're going to manage. At the same time, we go circle and hop. You can do it also over and hop. Really doesn't matter, it's your preference. But now we're going to do one full 8. Para-ga-di-ga-da-di-da-da, para-ga-di-ga-di-da-da, and return. Okay, now the biggest secret for this one is 2 things. You're walking, sorry, it's going to look really funny, like a duck. One foot is staying on the spot, and you're walking around. And the most important thing is people tend to think that they have to pull each other in. It's quite the opposite. We're actually pulling away from each other. I can feel her weight on her back, on my hand, and she also holding me back. Now we're overdoing it, but you can see this stretching away can create for us a very nice flow. Watch what happens when I pull her in. Yeah, and that's where you get the bloopers from. Really, that's what's going to happen. Sometimes I pick up a lady to do this and she doesn't know to pull away and she pulls me close and we can't do it. Okay, so we're counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, you can also go 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter between the legs of the lady. 5, 6, 7, 8. No tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now push away your body, bending it in, and push the lady in to do a body wave 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's take it from the beginning slowly. And 1, 2, 3, pull away the hands. 5, 6, turn the lady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do a basic and you grab the lady's hand again. Now you stay only on the one and your other hand goes into the joint of the lady's hand here so he can help with the other hand and grab the lady's hand here. From here we do a basic forward and back and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exchange positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, adjust the hands like this, and then straight away, stay in the center, guys, and the ladies are walking around you like a merry-go-round. They're the horsies. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, lift straight up the hand, so you tell the lady to go 5, 6, 7, 8, where the hand over. Now we're going for a bass step, bam, 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 bend and lean a little bit so you slide and up. If you see it from this angle, bam, 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 slide and up. Then for finishing, we have a little bit of Dominican step. We go down and up, forward, back, forward, kick. From this side, down and up, forward, back, forward, kick. Notice I'm not doing forward, back. I'm using my body, and the lady 1, 2 times, even if she doesn't know it, she will execute it. One last time from the beginning, the whole shebang with count. Don't switch off the video. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exchange positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, pop, boom, down, slide. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and repeat. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and finito. Back to your basic, back to your regular turns, and opening around for finale. And that's it, guys. As many of you are asking me to do lower level combinations, I put in between the advanced and the intermediate some improver and beginner. I hope you enjoy this move. You're ready to go and dance it out, and even if you don't have a partner, guys, you can imagine this move to do it. It's quite easy. Just be careful a little bit to keep the distance where you're moving around, okay? If you like these lessons and you would like to support us, just check in the description. We have a PayPal link for donations or one-time donation if you like, or be one of our Patreons with a small monthly fee support. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.